Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can video call on Hangouts. So if you've been using the Hangouts app for a certain while in order to communicate with people and are interested in learning how you can video call, do not worry, I'm going to show you. Stick with me till the end of this video to figure out how you can do that. But before I show you that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any of the tutorial videos by app guide. So now getting straight into the video. For this, first of all, open up your Hangouts app and make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now if you'd like to video call a particular person you're already chatting with, you can go to the bottom right corner on your message section, and what you can do here is you can simply swipe left the person or even swipe right the person. As you swipe right, you can see that the second option from the left hand side says video. So once you tap on the video option, you'll be able to video call that person. So this is basically how video calling works on Hangouts. It's a very simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to App Guide, and hit that bell notification like I mentioned previously. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.